Okay, we have to solve 3x squared plus 6x minus 2 equals 0 to 2 decimal places. Now, ordinarily, when you're handed a quadratic equals 0, you would check to see if you can factorize it. But we're not going to bother in this case because we know that the answer is going to be decimal. They've told us that they want the answer to 2 decimal places. So it's not going to be an integer, it's going to be a decimal. So we're going to dive straight into the quadratic formula and not even bother trying to factorize. So, do you know your quadratic formula? I hope you do. Quadratic formula is this: x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. You need to learn that. So, what's a, b and c? Well, a is that, b is that, and c is that. Right, we just stick those in there and the answer falls out. So, therefore, x equals minus b. Always use brackets when subbing in. You're much less likely to make a mistake that way. So, minus b is 6, plus 6, plus or minus the square root of b squared, 6 squared, minus 4. A is 3, using brackets again, and c is minus 2. See, this is why we use brackets, because especially with minuses, you're much less likely to make a mistake. All over 2a, a is 3. Okay, therefore, x equals, we can get rid of that bracket now, minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 squared is 36. Right, 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. The minus times a minus is a plus, plus 24. All over 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. Therefore, x equals minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 plus 24 is 60 all over 6. Don't get tempted to start cancelling at this stage. You can't say, oh, 6 goes into 6 once, and 10 times there, because this 60 is tied down by this square root sign. So it's being square rooted. It's not free. You can't cancel here. Okay. So we're ready to put it into the calculator now. So in your calculator, put minus 6 plus square root of 60 all over 6. And that will come out as 0.2909 something 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 to 2 decimal places. X is, that 0 leaves that 9 alone, so 0.29. Okay, that's the positive solution, that one. Now you have to do this one. So the negative solution is x equals minus 6, put this into your calculator, minus 6 minus square root of 60 all over 6, and that comes out as minus 2.2909 something something something. So x is Same thing, that 0 leaves that 9 alone, to 2 decimal places, minus 2.29. There you go. Our two solutions are x equals 0.29 and x equals minus 2.29. Learn your quadratic formula. There it is. You need to know that. Okay, you don't need to know it. It's in your formula sheet. But you really should learn it off by heart.